Welcome. In this video I will show you how to change mail signature on iPad Pro M5. In order to do this, you have to open Settings on your iPad, then on the sidebar swipe down to the Apps menu, and in the Apps menu scroll down to Mail application and then open it. Then scroll down to Signature and tap on it, and now provide your signature into this field. And that's it. That's how you add your signature. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.